What's up, poppies and mommies? If you're wondering why I'm on the ground on my knees, if you have been keeping up with my channel and my videos, you know I fixed the other side of my car, which had a nasty pop when I turned the wheel, and now this side is popping when I turn the wheel. So from one problem to the next, right guys? It's what happens when you have a 23-year-old vehicle. I desperately need to clean it too. Oh look, it's my old clutch penny. Yeah, so this penny right here, I glued it to the back of my clutch switch just until I could buy a new one. And still got some Gorilla Glue on the back of it. It's a pretty good trick if you know, you're in a sticky situation. Oh wow. Oh wow. These things ain't tight at all. Oh Lord Jesus. Take the wheel. Well, that's dangerous. Pretty sure I tightened them best I could. Oh well. Assume it's in gear, and I assume the e-brake's pulled, so rolled backwards into my wife's van, so be it. My neighbors coming home, they are very interesting people. They are the type of folks, and I'm not talking bad about anybody, I'm just making an observation. They will drive a car until it no longer runs, and instead of fixing it, they will park it in their yard, across the street, wherever they got land at, and buy a new one. It's insane. I don't know how people do it. So. Okay. We gotta go up higher. Oh. What is going on, dude? Okay, so my jack wants to be a little difficult. Let's slide a safety measure in there. You know, just in case. Oh, this car's so low. There we go. My old jack is having a little leak down issue. Whatever. Alright. Let's inspect, bro. I need to wash these wheels. What do we have here? Quite a flex there, son. Okay. So now this side is doing what the other side did. So I need to loosen this up. I need to spin this to Wonder why these coilovers are doing it. So right would be Lucy, and left would be Tidy. What's up, babe?
Sorry.
Dude, my coilovers, no, you're good. My coilovers are trying to come apart on me. That is no bueno. You feel me?
I don't know what you just said to me.
Okay, so.
No, like I didn't hear what you just said to me.
You remember the problem I had with the driver's side?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm having that problem with the passenger side now. I mean, I said that backwards. You remember the problem I was having with the passenger side? I told you the strut was coming apart. So you know what this means, babe? I think I'm gonna end up having to buy new struts.
Damn, that's
Alright guys, this is about to get a little weird because I am about to do like a video within a video.
You want me to go in?
Why?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
I'm talking to my thousands of fans. Love you, sweetie. But yeah, so you can adjust these. If you search the internet high and low, search no further. Bro, Meta cut me off mid-sentence. Search no further. I can show you how to adjust these on the car easily. And all you do, loosen this bracelet up and then spin this one. This is counterclockwise to add height, or clockwise to lower. And that's what I'm doing now. Just don't forget to tighten this one up. You'll be like me, you'll have popping sounds going on the road. So we are at 14. Beautiful. So the ride height on this car would be 15. I want to do 14 because I don't want so much stress on my tie rods. These cars has a weird geometry, and the tie rods will sit funny, and it'll put stress on them, and you have all kind of problems. All right. There we go. Same thing happened to the other side. I had the same problem with the other side, the popping sound. It was this come loose and the strut was flexing. See, no more flex. So, don't have to buy nothing. That's great news. And these were loose, so I'm gonna tighten these up as well. 100% get it. Guess what, man? Just to irritate some people on TikTok, this little job right here, I'm about to make it like 10 parts to it. I might do like 1 minute intervals just to annoy people. You feel me? Why are these loose, Brody? I hadn't even messed with this. This is insane. It's a wonder I don't die going down the road. Brody. Brody, that some bitch is tight, Brody. One more measure. Boom. We're at, y'all see that, right? Center of the hub, 14, straight up. Eat my butt to the outside. It's like 13. It's like 13 something. Yeah, it's almost 13 straight up, Brody. So we're gonna go with it. Alright, now to the other side. So before I go through all that with this side, let's put this on it. A little bit more than 13. depending on where you put it at, it's pretty close. The wheel still looks like it sits funny compared to the other one. Oh well. Let's check this back one back here. Oh, it's a little lower than the front. I need to come up on this side. This one is much lower than the other side. It could be my driveway. Not 100% sure. Anyways, so I'm gonna wrap this up, y'all. I'm on like part 22 right now. So all right, that's the fun for today. I believe I got the popping figured out. I don't know. Let me play with it a little bit. Let me put these tools up and we'll play with it. So many videos. I might just do a video on how to take a wheel off and put it back on. You feel me? I might make like 3 parts out of it. You feel me? Look, guys, I need to wash these. Look at that. Part 1. Hand tightening the lug nuts. The more y'all get to know me, the more you learn that that I'm so split personality, like 50-50, like demon on one shoulder, angel on the other. Like, I love everybody. I'll do anything I can for people. And on the flip side, people like disgust me. Alright, part 2, tightening the lug nuts. Y'all think I'm playing. I'm like dead ass serious. I'm gonna do this shit. I mean, I'm gonna do this stuff. Sorry, YouTubes. You know you don't like cursing. My bads. Dead ass serious, as the kids would say. Yeah, I got 15-year-old and 10-year-old. I know all the lingo. Brain rot. I feel like I should be in gear. The wheels shouldn't be spinning that easy. I am not in gear. Jeez Louise. Alright. Sheesh. Brain rot. Part 3, gas. Oh God. Part 4, removing my block and letting the car down. Let there be light, Brody. Alright, another measure. Middle 13. That's crazy. That's 13. A little bit more than 13. 13 and a quarter. Well, she's healthy, y'all. She's fixed. So, on to the next project. Love y'all. Peace.